Hello from Top Banana Antiques in Tetbury. I've been in and around this business a long time. I think actually it's 47 or 48 years. And this will be the second piece of Ming bronze that I've had. But what I find fascinating is I've been in the shop since early this morning getting jobs done, and it's here in Pride of Place in Simon Hawkwood's room. I'll probably get told off for this later, but I think he probably won't mind. And it had a very busy morning, very, very busy morning. Actually done quite a few noughts on the end of our business today. And a whole stack of people have been through. I wouldn't argue, I've had one metalware guy in, but I wouldn't argue necessary Chinese bronze specialists. But so far, not one person, admittedly this bowl is not priced. It will be priced, it will be on www.topbananaantiques.com very soon. But not one person has asked the price of it or even noticed it. This is a beautiful thing. It's incredibly heavy. I would say I've struggled to lift it. I would say it's probably 8 kilos. It's designed, it has a round base. These are the Ming marks, which I'm not going to give you a load of spiel on because I actually do know roughly how to read them and I know roughly the date of them, but I can't pronounce the name of the actual leader and emperor and the rest of it, so I'm not going to try to do that. But it's designed to stand into a hardwood stand. The quality of the casting, so basically it's cast lump of bronze, which is then, can you see, is spun out. So this has a lovely buttery soft feel. Often these get damaged and holed and have faults in the casting, etc. But this has got a lovely, ancient buttery feel to it. I do think it stands every chance of being from the 17th century, although they've been copying this since the day they made it. The verdigris, please note where my thumb is. This is verdigris build up in the hand chase cast decoration. So the whole item is cast, and then the fine decoration is then engraved and chased in. So chased with literally a hammer and chisel, sort of carved into the bronze, and then these hairs and stuff are put in with a fine knife and actually carved into the bronze. Beautiful thing, good size, 10-12 inches across, which is about 30 centimetres, I think, if my maths is right. Lovely thing, very, very unusual. There's all the various gods and the various deities and stuff all seem to be sort of waging war with each other, as they tend to. And sort of thing that you could look at for 20 years and see something different in it almost every time you look at it. Very, very nice bit, very unusual. Proud to have my second piece of, I don't think I've ever had a piece that had a Ming China, but anyway, this is my second bit of Ming bronze. I am confident as you can be that this is the correct date. Anyway, do have a look online at www.topbananaantiques.com where the full details and many pictures will be soon. Do have a great day from all of us at Top Banana Antiques in Tetbury. And chuffed to bits to have found this. Rare lot. And very pleased.